Listen up. Forget everything you think you know about affordable electric cars. Forget the Model 3, forget the Model Y. This is the car we have all been waiting for. This is the 2026 Tesla Model Q, and it isn't just coming to play, it's coming to take over the entire game. We've got the exclusive renders, the leaked specs, and the insane price tag that is going to make every other car manufacturer on the planet sweat. You're watching Car Review Today. Let's get into it. Okay, first up, just look at that face. It is 100% Tesla, but it's sharper. It's evolved. That classic T badge is gone, replaced by this bold, illuminated Tesla script running inside that super thin horizontal light bar. It's aggressive, it's clean, and it just screams future. The lower fascia looks sporty, almost like a mini Model 3 Performance. From the side, this thing is pure baby Model Y. That sloping, fastback roofline isn't just for style, it's all about aerodynamics. Tesla is obsessed with efficiency, and this shape is built to cut through the wind and squeeze every last electron out of that battery. Big aero wheels, flush door handles, it's the perfect proportion. And around back, man, does that look good. Again, that super thin edge-to-edge light bar and the Tesla name spelled out. No clutter, it's minimalist, it's sexy, and it's a design that is not gonna get old fast. But this is where Tesla changes the game. Step inside, and it is minimalism level 100. You get that giant, floating landscape center screen that controls everything. There is no gauge cluster in front of the driver, zero. It's all on that screen. And look at this, they're bringing the yoke to their entry-level car. That is a bold move. The dash is clean, a single strip of wood trim, cool red ambient lighting in the doors and the footwell. For a car that's supposed to be cheap, this interior feels like something that costs twice as much. Okay, let's talk engine. Of course, there isn't one. But what's underneath? This is Tesla's brand new next-generation platform. The big news is a new LFP battery, lithium iron phosphate. What does that mean? It's cheaper to make, and you can charge it to 100% every single day without worrying about degradation. For performance, we are looking at a base model that will do right around 250 to 300 miles on a charge. That is the magic number, folks. That is more than enough for 99% of your daily driving. And now, the price. The one everyone is waiting for. The strongest rumors and the official target from Tesla is $25,000. Yes, $25,000. That is not a typo. Before incentives. This is an absolute game changer. This thing is going to sell like crazy. So who should be worried? Honestly, everyone. The main targets, of course, the Chevrolet Bolt EV and the low-end Equinox EV, but make no mistake, this thing is also gunning for the very stylish Volvo EX30. And frankly, it's gonna kill the used car market. Why buy a used car when you can get a brand new Tesla for this price? It'll even compete with the Hyundai Kona Electric and the Kia Niro EV. But here's the problem for the competition. It's a Tesla. You get the brand, you get the tech, and most importantly, you get access to the supercharger network. That is the killer app. So there you have it, the 2026 Tesla Model Q. This isn't just about an electric car anymore. This is about the best car, period, that you can buy for the money. At $25,000 with solid range and an interior this futuristic, this isn't just a new car, it's a revolution. This might just be the Toyota Corolla of our generation. What do you guys think? Is the Model Q a guaranteed grand slam? Do you love or hate that steering yoke? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. As always, this is Car Review Today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell. We'll see you on the next one.